Hello from Seoul. Everyone loves teriyaki chicken. It's an absolute classic. But you know what? Pork just does it better. Trust me, this bad boy will make you forget about chicken completely. Today, we're gonna be making soy glazed pork, one of my favorite dinner options of all time. No need to overthink this one. It's basically the pork version of teriyaki chicken. Sounds super yummy, right? That incredible soy glaze melting into the rich pork fat, it delivers the ultimate flavor. Plus, it's super simple to make, so there's no reason not to try this at home. Trust me, once you try it, you won't regret it. For this, you want some pork, garlic, green onions, and a bowl of hot rice. That's it. Super simple, right? What? You want to keep things more nutritionally balanced? Then go ahead and grab any veggies from your fridge. Whatever you use, it's all gonna taste amazing. Honestly, grilling some shishito peppers or mushrooms would look even fancier. But as you know, I've got a hungry bird and a baby to take care of. I don't have that kind of luxury today. So I'm just gonna go with cucumber, salad greens, and some cherry tomatoes. Alright, let's make the sauce first. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and give it a good mix. Couldn't be any easier, right? By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com, so please visit here if you need a written recipe. Next, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. And then grab 2 green onions and thinly slice them. As always, the whites are gonna be stir-fried to infuse our oil, and the greens are gonna be used for a beautiful garnish. So make sure to keep them separate, like this. This time, take 1 pound of pork and cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. I'm using pork belly today because the fat from the meat makes the sauce much glossier and deeper in flavor. But if you prefer something leaner, then feel free to use tenderloin or Boston butt. Don't worry about it. Whatever you use, it's all gonna taste fantastic. Once that's done, lightly season both sides with salt and pepper. Here, don't season it too much because our soy glazed sauce will take care of it. Now, lightly coat them with about 3 tablespoons of potato starch. What? No potato starch at home? Don't worry about it. You can also use cornstarch or AP flour. No problem at all. Honestly, you can skip this step, but that thin coating really helps the pork belly soak up the sauce much better and keeps the meat more tender and juicy. But the truth is, when I'm busy filming B-rolls and thumbnails, the food gets a bit cold. And if that pork gets hard and tough, our hungry bird is not gonna let it slide. That's the real reason I take the extra step. Yeah, I'm just trying to survive here. Alright, everything is all set. Let's get cooking. In a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the pork belly and sear it for about 2 minutes. When the bottom turns golden brown, flip and sear the other side for another 2 minutes. Once both sides are golden brown, set them aside for a moment. Now in the same pan over medium-low heat, add the garlic, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 1 minute to create the beautiful aromatic oil. If there's not enough pork fat left in the pan, make sure to add some more oil to let the flavors infuse. When your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma, add your sauce and give it a good stir for about 30 seconds. Now bring back all the pork belly and toss it all together for about 2 minutes. Once your pork belly is fully soaked in the sauce and you see the beautiful glaze, turn off the heat. That's it. Incredibly easy, right? Seriously, there's absolutely no reason not to try this at home. Alright, let's plate this up. Put some rice on a serving plate and add some pork belly, salad greens, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Last but not least, finish off with some green onions. And there you have it, your soy glazed pork belly. How does it look? It looks absolutely delicious, right? You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, I wanna take a moment to try some more Japanese flavors from Sakuraco. Sakuraco is a monthly snack subscription box that delivers authentic Japanese snacks right to your doorstep. It's filled with a variety of traditional and exclusive snacks that are only available in Japan. For example, if you open the box, you'll find local and authentic Japanese snacks from artisan snack makers, including a selection of traditional Japanese teas and a special Japanese tableware, Bloom's handpicked ceramic. And this month's theme is Heritage of Hiroshima, so you will find delightful Hiroshima snacks like Setouchi lemon cookie, strawberry baumkuchen, Kyoho grape chocolate crunch, and white peach dorayaki. These are the kind of snacks you really want to slow down and enjoy, especially with this traditional drink, kuzuyu. It's the ultimate relaxing tea time experience. What? You're kind of worried about getting local snacks because of the language, ingredients, or allergens? Don't worry about it. Sakuraco provides a booklet in the box. It contains all the information about the snacks, snack makers, and even interesting cultural stories about Japan. If you're interested in experiencing Japan from the comfort of your home, go to the link in my description and use my code ANC. You'll get $5 off your first order. You want to experience the real Japan? Wherever you are, Sakuraco will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Sakuraco.
Claire. 와, 반짝반짝 빛나는 게 육즙 가득 엄청 맛있어 보인다. It looks insane. Let's give it a try. Look at these. This is what I'm talking about, right? 향긋하니 달큰한 간장 향이 나는 게 맛있는 게 느껴진다. Cheers. 그럼 엄마 먹어봐도 돼? Cheers. 우와, 우와, 맛있다. 하나만 더 먹어볼게. 아, 비밀을 알았네. 비밀을 알았어. 일단 소스 얘기를 안 할래 안 할 수가 없다. 그 일본 특유의 그 간장에서 오는 소스 맛이 되게 짭조름하면서도 달큰하게 기분 좋은 달큰한 맛이 같이 어우러져서 너무 맛있어. 그리고 두 번째 포인트는 와, 그 코팅 있지, 전분 코팅. 와, 그거 신의 한 수다 진짜. 왜 원래 이런 얇은 돼지고기를 팬에다가 이렇게 구우면 시간 조금만 지나면 금방 딱딱해지고 좀 맛없어지게 되는 그런 경향이 있잖아. 근데 그 전분 코팅을 해서 그런지 속은 육즙이 쫙 보존이 되어 있는데 겉은 살짝 뭔가 이렇게 튀긴 것 같은 그런 느낌을 줘가지고 그냥 팬프라잉 할 때도 맛있지만 한 단계 더 업그레이드 시켜준 그런 느낌을 딱 준다. 내가 두 가지 포인트 잘 잡았지? 사실 이거 먹기 전에 내가 너무 졸려가지고 커피를 한 잔 마셨단 말이야. 그래가지고 이 미각이 좀 제대로 발동이 안 될까봐 약간 걱정을 했는데 이거는 그냥 너무 직관적이다. 너무 맛있어가지고 그냥 먹자마자 바로 그냥 반응이 나오네요. 너무 맛있습니다. 밥이랑도 너무 잘 어울릴 것 같아. 밥이랑 한번 먹어보겠습니다. It just looks like sushi, right? Cheers. 그냥 뭐 숨이 저절로 쉬어지는 그런 맛입니다. 올래? 이쪽 오고 싶어? 우와! 그치, 은하? 맛있어 보이지? If you're a big fan of teriyaki chicken, you should definitely give this a try. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. Bye! 우리도 얼어있지만 Bye! 웃어주세요!
Today, I showed you how to make soy glazed pork, one of my all-time favorite weeknight dinners. How was it? It's quick, simple, and incredibly delicious. Seriously, the results really speak for themselves, right? Trust me. Once you take that first bite, you'll probably feel the same way. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.